Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Chinsa ni sato cha bono morogobo mwanchi murigelia chinga kichingi anaende tokumira na asembe elinde ngumanye na yabere kagwat kakora chinsemo meya maya ye chinsa isato Ensoko TV nyora yonsi naboko yanyora gwetra sensemeri mitandao ensemo ya Facebook na boigo YouTube gwetra Ensoko TV Bianenkero Frida na baltoko bwatra na soko neke na chibicha niliogi lyago ikirasole asinchera ya bene Brian Achaka Felicitas Kabendi na boigo Barnabas Ondari toskato nyigara koira nanda sigeke kekero bosili ndingo manyamanga sinchera yobwagale. Mancho murieli yango kwalie ni bene tusanga so wamo gochaka bono iga goika omoelio gochaka maya yebire bigani gotoko yachaka korase county ya Nyamira asingo kumenya buna sentu ndende ni go mugabana Amos Nyaribo anyora kongo mayaga yumuswada boko mwaka isiko go ikigwa bosiwe bunge ye county ya Nyamira aba MC Meronge bere na batatu igoro ya emerongo etatono yomo ni go ba ko boko muswada boko mwaka isiko kati ya mamochamo bwaterente Nyaribo ngamona obotumiki obobebu abisi nabo igoko enda mamincha na machiko ye county ya Nyamira korengana nelichiko Murikito Daniel Omwaga na Robert Urwe.
Wara sunyora nyamari onyatari koera. Amari onyatari koera. Igoti abachamo tokore gasiamo neje bango buororo mbongose.
Entunda ya gatatu inse ye myaka 3 aba MCA batemire ku mwaka isiko yabisi umugabana abwe county ya Nyamira Amos Kimomi Nyaribo. Na lero asentunda ya gatatu bene kurase bunge ye county ya Nyamira.
Report on the removal of His Excellency Honorable Kimomi Nyaribo, the Governor of Nyamira County, from office by way of impeachment has now carried the day.
Omoti enyo ikomi omwaka w'ekibemerongebere enetato Nyaribo akamincho lyeke baogye sindani kurogwa kwa isiko buno mugabana abwe county eyo asentunde ntangani.
Why are we doing this? We want Nyamira County to be the best county in this country. It's only Nyamira where an ECD teacher is paid 25 million as a month as a special salary. It's only in Nyamira where we have a lot of things going on.
Mutienyo kianda chitariki 10 omwaka w'ekibemerongebere nainye Nyaribo naenda kaminchoria motego obwo gwako isiko magaga ya MC ya mochore gwetareki ya makeria kya Wiper Patriotic Front Juma Evans Matunda wikimo swada bwo kumurusi abisi ya sentunda ya kabere kubatikana mochoye botumiki obebu abisi yaye.
It is unfair for a county like this, the second smallest county in the republic, to be ranked position 47 out of 47. It is quite unacceptable. And that's the main reason why this motion was today. And I think we are saying we are still not yet settled on this.
We shall revisit.
We shall revisit very soon.
asentunda ya gatatu rero nigo Nyaribo arekanire kurarera okoboko gwokobe mayaga ya MCA 23 igoro ya MCA 32 ebe bunge ye county ya Nyamira gwake kure yo gwanchana ku murusi abisi abe MCA 15 nigo bekana bene asebi karo bye bunge yo ase batano ebatuma mauko yo gwanchana ku mwaka isiko ya abisi omosuwada obakaba ko gwikiwa bosio bwe bikaro ebyo no mwe MCA we ward ya Nyamatuta Julius Matwere ogwanchana uko gwoko mwaka isiko ye kergo kya yebu no mugabana bwe county ya Nyamira nigo koralibwa no mo speaker bwe county yo Thaddeus Nyabaro.
Honorable members, His Excellency Honorable Amos Kimomi Nyaribo, the Governor of Nyamira County, now stands impeached.
Egati ya mamocharia agotebekana kumunanterera omusike Nyaribo nakoba engenchenene yo gwakwa kwa ya isiko ya bisi no botumike wewe chinguru chaye buno mugabana amo no kugenda mamincho na machiko ye county ya Nyamira korengana na mariko yeri chiko. Omo speaker abwe county ya Nyamira Thaddeus Nyabaro ebono nigago chia komulikira beneli uko mo speaker abwe senate Amason Kingi komanyege tambo kerekyo asa Maison Sibono adigretia ba senator go semba chiko muongolia na komincholia Amos Kimomi Nyaribo korwa asepani ya mabuta yege siasa ayo rekanire kugendera ko musamba bororo bose nigabago chia komotige roro nago ikyobora ibwaye engako emyaka ya 5 etarabutoka Inko ripoteria Egetaseni Igien Soko TV korwa asama gachama neye bunge ye county ya Nyamira ase ebikare byabyo korekana asenchera ya bene iretira nenchenkoro kwa Daniel Omwaga
Mbiamono sana umurikito Daniel Omwaga sogotwariganiria oroboti urugo sikabusyo mugabana bwe county ya Kisii omuske Paul Simbarati nigo abayigoreire nakobakanira ebili nyagitari abaroire bali babwenire kolende batali kwenyara kenengo eye maiga yamagacho yechiwodi cha Nyangito Women Wing kwanyoka nako ebereka ekyo anenake kiorogetie bunanigo eragwe eumese abange anyana boni garati arurugo kulera gucha asonde wensi obwatkanete no bwagachi bwamagacha yo unanigo barachi kuimukirwa egetamkero keli chiko mulikito Wycliffe Orenge na robotoro
Nase Nyagitari ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital waso mugabana bwe county ya Kisii muske Paul Simbarati aikarana ereko begorera abaruire bali akonya bali ase ward Nyangito Wing 2 yabasobati egiye konya kuburi abaruire kimya isato biyabeira bobe ekagire guchekogwa
omwana na bwate siko selanemia Your Excellency na chiri Nyagitari etali limo tali lya kabere itukolia lero kwanduze ilio musigo monene ulingase na bwate litukolia lese bill Your Excellency mbuya mono
poleni, lakini sasa niko na wagonjwa wengi ambao lazima waende nyumbani watibiwe, wapewe kitu kidogo, na nimeamua kwamba niwaachilie ninyi leo. Hiyo bili yote serikali ya county itasimamia, muende nyumbani.
Amagacha yo Nyangito ewingi ya kabere basubati Nigarakanete gwateka na kweberereka ekiane nake kiarenge gocha kugeregwe na igo ababisaba bagachibe county ya Kisii bakobwaterana na bali be serikali anene bakaruwa baseme buna abaruire bali sechi ward echibaru sibororo bibagera gwe bareo
completely bent. That means the building has come down.
Leo hii chuma ambayo imeshikanisha hizi piramidi leo tukakuta nayo kakuta yake iko na cracks, imekatika. Tuangalia ndani Kakoto ambayo ilijenga hiyo nyumba yetu na ilijengwa kama miaka 8 imepita. Kakoto ni mbaya, ni kusema bricks haikuwa nzuri, either simiti ilikuwa kidogo ama mchanga ilikuwa mbaya na hakufanya vibration. Lakini vitu za kufanya hiyo nyumba ni mbili, either tutaitengeneza isimame ama tutaibomoa.
Asengenche yonigo serikali ya county ya Kisii siyobora ibaye mugabana Paul Simbarati yerwa ko bayigorera abaruira abwo emya ya mona 30 yomo bali babwenire guseba isire kubwena gucyashinga cyabo abo asibarache gotarerwa abanyagitari elinde ko roto tabona bagenderete na igo ko bakadere billions.
Thank our excellency governor for what he has done for us. I've stayed here for 3 good months since I gave birth, but today it has been a pleasure to go home.
ananake nigo mugabana Simba Arati arugo kurira gochia asonde bwensi uyo gwatakanete no bwagati wa magachayo bona nigo barati kwererwa egetambukiro kyali chiko asoko beka obuguma bwa bantu abanga sabe.
I've directed, tumeandikia EACC na vitengo vingine zote zihakikisha zimehusika kuangalia ni nani alilala katika kazi. Miaka 8 nyumba hii ghorofa karibu 5 haiwezi kwamba imeharibika. Kwa hivyo mtu yeyote ambaye alihusika kwa mjengo huu, akue contractor, akue ni engineer, akue ni nani alisimamia, lazima wawajibike hata kama yeye ni nani. Imagine kama ingekuwa imeanguka na watu wamekufa ndani, ile vita ningekuwa nimepigwa.
Somo sangerekano yobo igoni go chimasini chinya cha X-ray amuna CT scan go chanya ko bachiko go bene erinde cha ko mirimo na go ko boli gwani go kwaru go cha sabantu bonsi nako ba ko leta baruire asensemejo kwanyoro bukoreri ubwagwango
konyora ntubu atege tugekoro ku ventilators konyo ICU ekwete bona iga ntwagorete 12 ventilators igo ebitanda 12 muntu tago kwesenge jonga ventilator tayari koro scanner malia na bobono ekonyara koro ki kirege to kegane igo tagetemba boli mwezi ekare county ne yaino nyektali ne yaino onye gutaide ko ako x-ray akuma keliko nyora kero rogo kiratire nyektali ende
ono nigo yatirire asaba bisaba libo tuki amana bali bo bwagachi ugandira okole mirimo asobwamo elinde banyako bakomenyanchira kigose barakore pakonya magachayo kurwa soko gwa inko reporteria Ensoko TV kurwa gasobo katakati mu Chibosongo e county ya Kisii reteriane Wycliffe Orenge.
Maiga yoyo kabeiro morundia wechigali che kampuni ya Enacoach Tomondi kikonyoro mubasokano wibara umutinyo kabere omwako yeiga na gusiria okoboko kwaye matukama ke aitreni gabakagwe soki ase mitandao yekerero na komochia kampuni yo asogotamo obokonye chinga ke yalingenye gitali oikabona igaye nekire taranyora bokonye bonde bwensi korwa ase kampuni yo abasaye bagenzi baumerana no montere boyo ningo bagikeire gekorekyo asebono barukubure guchia sobora iwe company ya Enacoach eyo ekonekya nga Tom konyorale obwene bwaye
as the young people and as the Gen Z condemn an act that was done some few weeks some few months ago by a company by the name Enacoach. It was between Enacoach and our dad, who we are giving that respect of being called a dad, Mr. Tom Ondiek, whereby he gave his strength, he gave his time, he gave his life.
Kweli ya kwamba sikuwa na 600 ambayo nilikataa kwa sababu niliuliza hii pesa inaweza kutoka kwenye president Khan. Wakati niliuliza waliniambia ya kwamba lazima niko karibu na mimi na kuanga mrudi. So kuuliza swali kwa ofisi mimi nilianza kuelewa kwa sababu maana ambayo tulikuwa tunapatana hayakuwa yanapatana na yale ambayo tulikuwa tunashughulikia. Jambo la mwisho, wakati nilikuwa hospitali nilipidi ya kwamba mimi ndio nililipa bill, mimi na sister yangu. Sister yangu ndio alilipa kwa M-Pesa ambayo inaonyesha ya kwamba ni ukweli ni mimi nililipa. Hii messages naona ati mimi kampuni ililipa, hakuna kitu kampuni ililipia hata shilingi moja. Kwa sababu dawa za hospitali ni mimi nililipia mimi. So ningechukua hii fursa kuambia Wakenya wenzangu, mimi kitu nataka justice. Kwa sababu kuna wale ambao wameumia pia ambao siwezi watacha hapa. Mimi ninataka justice kwa upande yangu.
Tom kwa maana ni maskini mpaka saizi hajapata haki yake. Tom alipopata ajali, sisi tulipata story yake, tukaenda mpaka pale Enacoach, tukafuatilia yale mambo yanaendelea. Tukarudi tukamtafuta Tom, alikuwa kule Barakoa kule nyumbani. Sisi tukaorganize Tom akaja Nairobi. Ndio leo tuko naye hapa. Tulipofika pale, kampuni ilituambia mambo yote ambayo wamemfanyia huyu jamaa. Tulipopata Tom, hata Tom alikuwa amelipa zile bill zote.
Gen Zs, we are the ones.
This is our time.
Not just online,
but on the front line.
Justice for Tom.
Justice.
Serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii igitabo kia mangana agenda kubwatirana n'ababwatani igati yabo ebyombe bikwegerera oboene bw'abasubati nigo litko lya lero byachakire bena matuko 15 nelimo korwania kisegi kyegenka umuyiga unyara ko bakugochakigwa ase ABC yo mu commissioner we kaunti ya Kisii litko lya lero niga abantu baboligwe kubwatirana gukora kisegi kyegenka ase kirenga ky'umwaka oyo igakere korwania kisegi kyegenka chigokorekana gwetera emitandao mulikito Pethuel Machini na roboti orwe
Team tension
Erio kubwatana na bamwabo ensi ya Kenya nigo abasubati na bige byombe byokwegerwa bwena w'abasubati waterane serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii abachakire bene etaro ya matuko 15 nerimo yokurwania kisegi kyegenka bwasikirenga cy'umwaka yegakere kurwania kisegi kyegenka ekikigo cya wetera emetandao
abantu baminte twikaga igarero gucengera amatuko 15 nomo ayoko egerera obwene bwa minto ase ebinyoro byaito bali babwate amakongu ao igori tukeri ria rero nigo tugukwanira dhuluma ya kijinsia tonyesiria ase gusiya ito elinde abana bamurana abana baiseke abasacha n'abakungu tobwatera namo koleta amurembe ase chinka cheito koleta omurembe ase binyoro byeito na lituranyare konyora magenderero.
Na nimefurahi sana kuwaona nyinyi wote kwa vile ambao mumejitokeza kwa wingi ili tuweze kupiga vita dhidi ya dhuluma kati ya wanawake sana.
Ukwane kirekyo nigo bono abarai abanyako bagosanga igoro yechinchira choko bwatrena eryo kurwania na gukora kisegi kyegenka.
And happy because we are launching it because we are creating sensitization on our people. But then sad because the numbers are very high in Kisii. We contribute to 25% of gender-based violences in Kenya. Kisii alone, when it comes to FGM, we are at 77%, while the country is at 15%. So you can see we are number 14 countrywide, meaning we have a lot to do as a community and as a county. I want to urge all of us, the players of today, that we pull our socks, we create awareness, and again, we also participate in mitigating the issues of gender-based violence.
We want judiciary to tell us, in a scenario where we have an assault, a GBV case, inapelekwa mediation, wana intend kupata nini hapo? So I want us to ongeze juhudi in the fight. You see what is happening even in our judiciary, in the offices. You see what is happening kwa kesi zetu. Hata sisi wale wenyewe ambao tunajaribu kutetea haki za wamama wengine na watu wengine wanaodhulumiwa, tunajipata katika hiyo mtego.
Igati ya abaria abakwegerwa bwene b'abasubati nigo bona banyako bakoboria halichiko kubekwa nsemo eri okurwania kisege kiga.
Want to ask for the operationalization of the safe houses and the rescue center, which has taken too long, and for the GBV policy to be passed. So we asked upon each and every stakeholder that GBV is our responsibility for the community, the political leaders, and everybody. GBV is a responsibility for all of us, and we ask that for the community members, we should prioritize community awareness so that we can report these cases and get help from our courts. And as we celebrate this day, we remember those who have gone down the soil due to GBV, and we say, as the theme says this year, is to unite to end digital violence, because we've realized that most of the GBV that occurs starts from the devices that we own, the smartphones, and GBV occurs in even the safest places that we call homes, churches.
Bono okuboriwa ni gukwarure guchasa abantu bonse kubwaterana eri gukora kisege kiga kigenka.
Na zaidi ya hayo pia ninawakumbusha ya kuwa wanaume wamesahaulika. Wanaume wamesahaulika kwa sababu wameamua kujificha, hawataki kutokezea. lakini wamama na wasichana tumejitokezea kwa wingi, na ndiposa tumeonyesha ya kuwa sisi tumekuwa tukidhulumiwa, na tangu mambo ya gender based violence iweze kuibuka katika nchi yetu ya Kenya, tunaona ya kuwa kuna hatua nyingi sana ambazo zimeweza kupigwa na wamama na wasichana wameweza kusaidika.
Let us try to maintain peace in our homes. Let us try to love one another like the love that was there in the first, ile yenye Mungu alitupenda. Tupendane ili watu tukipendana kwa manyumba pia upendo inaenda hata kwa makazi ama hata hapa nje. So my prayer this morning is that let us maintain peace, let us love one another, and we will not have these GBV cases going high.
Poteria Ensoko TV kuraiga omuchobo songo county ya Kisii Nchempethuel Machini.
Nechinsa inse ye 52 chitigarite abamenyi be wodi ye Kerenyo ya North Mugrango county ya Nyamira bakore obochori oboke ubogochora omo MCA we wodi yo nigo bakwerera ariba eteire abamenyi abo nigo bagusabana kubori abantu be wodi yo kwene kebunango chora bare omurayi yorachi kuborwanirira boronge chinga kichiria chiasirite ekero batare no murayi Muliketo Vincent Monda no robotioro
Netaro yane erengete wodi ye Kerenyo eri kumanya buna bero birite asobochori bwabo asomo chibwe Kerenyo ne biasara byabo tambe korende chibiche chinantiri chinsemo ao ejo chikoro kebuna ne chikampeni konye chibwate tense abamenyi bensemeye ne chinsaba barete eri kuruge kura yabo egati yabo besokire na gusangana Ensoko TV bakoerera ali amakongu babiri bagwetera ekere wodi yabo ye Kerenyo yarenge gwasie tabwati umurayo ndasekero kyo bwa MCA
Marietha nengo gwa Patrick atebendubi umwagio kurande ngwakira sere nikibara isaligete makuria saligete ntuana koragende in fact kiagera no neki abane skulu otogosingoi koire skulu kianda bwa pasel
Samarieta ngoro kutadi usinya mera nyakango yongwa kire kura yane segetuo kyo kekendo primary na ekaro tutagwa tomo MCA na batwale korora bobe kiagera etwale kuburwa stoko ire okugani gwa itogochia tobali bali baikira bana chike gwangu yo gwa pra chipasali mba twaru muchando monene bokonyora chipasali
Marietha ngoro gusara mora nyangwechi egetuo kiane gegwake kura egiasere boarding station obogimana bobo tomigete igo lakini rende toko sabanga litukelirike tanyoro morai egere kurwa bwato bwatisi
Marietha ngoro kuna sauce kea kurangwa kera gekendo chibara chirochio nchibwate mechande menene especially chibara chire mire jibe kiri merom na sanno stanya kole mumisipi
bako yali ayu mbe ariganiti goseri bamesa gucha mutwe
munera liaerete ono twe bangete mambia baada ile matuka yabere twage kura toboko tukotokole esere itokole
abasoba chori bogo chigocha ntwe bangete enchire bwenerete ntobwati bura burwende nande tutagete twakira abarayi abarareta amagenderero nande bono isege tugiasie toga gamna marembo roro etogo sabanga abantu bonsi babwati omugwika noyu gwakore gwaka chikura chyo marembe omurayura toretere amagenderero mambia
Marietha simunikiryao chengwa ke kura yane sere gitugia sere ikero primary yonye ari ganzi corona nincho le kansungira nkonya matuka ya mutu tonyore magenderero
bagoteba omurayi omuyano uri gusasokera abantu eri abakonye barabo omurayi kigoseba kurigia
nde tumurayi okora magendera una bono twachandikira matuka mathambiga
bono togo sabanga aba omurayi uchikoboro atware ogoikirani kwa magani y'abantu bonsi tatwara ogwanchire
bantu bekerenyo tutatoro moyo atokonye kigatwachandikira mara mangi bari chizo nchiringiya tokonye na bane skuru
twakajikura no boro tochoro omurayi omuya oratura ogotokorere emereme emiya se wodi yaitu Morayi omuya noyo bwanchita amagenderero oratoigorero ne factory getere mata egera na intwa abantu buna intwa basibati abake tonyore gasto kora se factory eyo
Ndwate chisukuru chinde buna chibutabwati chi ECD classes abana bwate mechando chibanda koligererigo tonyora morayi ogo rieri bintu munebi especially sukuru education aligeri nechinyageta ali na chocho chibwate challenges amangana nyagetali aba Mario gato kororo muna especially dispense GTV bike montoro nyore okonya kagwanga taraju gachinya getaji na muno chiekerenyo atokonya na sere ito mate ga Mario gato kororo bantu bakonya rugwanga togani to choro murayo le obwate fusion obwate ratokonya samangana ya magenderero
ekero iwodi ya Kerenyo eri ya Nyamaiya amone iwodi ya Nyansiongo bagosobo choria nkinde nigo bakonyoligwa buna omurayo muronge no murayi w'echingencho chingia. Vincent Monda, Ensoko TV.
Gotigara ime kaunti ya Nyamira kero bacholio bokebo gochego kolekana ase chiwodi isato ime kaunti eyo echichire Nyamaiya Ekerenyo amona Nyansiongo ono niga bamenye be chiwodi echo basabire bake chikura cyo mulembe nande betange kurwa asokolenta chibura buru chiage siasa ase chinsemo echo chiwakirwa chikura kaukwana n'Ensoko TV nigo musubati Rose Mora sese oyo koligia ekero kyobo MCA ase wodi ya Nyamaiya sobocholi oboboke chinga kyaumirana n'abamenye bensemeyo niga basabire abamenye abo kweneke buna ngo abale abasubati okoboko ase birogo by'oburayi nagwetanga kurwa ase okonia chikura cyabo muri kito weekly forenge namange
naso musangerekano bwo basemya bamenye be wodi ya Nyamaiya bosio bwo bacholyo boke uburi bosio chitarike 25 mutinyo 11 omwaka oyiga wase wodi yo amone chinde ibere che county ya Nyamira abo asa bamenye balia baikirana aso musangerekano yo banyora libaga lya bene lyo kwasemigwa igoro yobuya bo babwatse basubati nonyene karaba koliye birogo au byoburayi
tukolia rero babere no mugoko sana ase ngenjo twaumerana wetraso yo mitoros go segetana asichukura chigakara Alhamisi igonga egento tangani etogo sabanga itukeli Alhamisi tocha so bonge tobeke chikura na nene oyo nero mungino motangani asinyamaiya ward bwesokiri.
I'm one of the aspirants but nina secretary ya obo MCA. So ena chiraiga ko sensitize abantu buna the importance of women in leadership. So twatwalire chinkwana buna tubonete gusira bangina asuborai. Igon tegete gote abantu bamintu ngakitwa ikirange chikura chigo kwa on 27th year on Thursday. Tegete gusaba abantu baesokia sobonge elinde bachoro murai nande ndete ko ba encourage bachoro murai yoyo oro musubati asengenje twanyorire ngenga kientambe twachaira basubati this time round Nyamaiya am encouraging you mosoka sobonge mo 14 for a women MCA
agokuwa na n'Ensoko TV maiga yo gokuwa na bamenye abo nigoro simura uyo koliye kerogo kyo bo MCA ase wadi yo basabira bakechikure cyo asomolembe
abantu baminto timoye guchibesa molete chiburuburu ase chikura igatotware chikura chire chinyororo chibwato molembe elinde kiro monto kagocha sagwa kekura tigo monta akekura agendenka aganye abantu baganye IBC kore etangaze monto morayo teneine kura tacha kongaine ngayaya inchunko echibeso gendorete buruburu asengenjo iteganeiri nande it's against the law igote abantu baminto tigato babangaini chibese chirioko ego minyoka nyomba gore ndagerorie wikaranso oganyeri bagogochikorete buruburu osange nga kwareti roboko abantu baitiru ndotageti manyinga itekase ngenjo echikurechi etotageti chikura chomolembe chibwate obomo no bwanchani asa abantu bonsi ekogere kinekyo egango yanene nga Nyamaiya yemo ebwato bwanchani nande ebwato molembe
wake chikura chomolembe chobwororo utwara obomo wikari tukeriria ari
ubasemirie abamenye be wodi yo betange kurwa ase kongainwa elibo ni chikura cyabo ekiagera magendero narabwenete kobeko bosyo amane gisera chingiya
tegetemba ba encourage again mobosa gochora muraya singenje chibesa chibako na gotaraga iga naiga echinukari ekoro muntu yo okoebesa nigagotebeti ngokogorire ogotebire ngana na kinji twakoranire naye ebeseria magendero it's not going to appear anywhere
bono ekerobo chole boboke bwaberera nge ne chikambene chiasikirwe nigo yategere asamenye bechi wodi echo wakati kura chomolembe no bwanchani ingolipoteria Ensoko TV kuro Nyamaiya ensemu yebunge ya West Mugirango county ya Nyamira Teritoriane Wycliffe Orenge
Ebirengo by'obachenu ase chinyomba chia kebara chiri gosenigo bire chire birengo by'obachenu ase chinyomba chia kebara ngukuna chirebuya gosebobe obogima na boigo obumenyo bwaito chinsemo chitoetanaine amo na magenderero aito chinyomba cy'obachenu chiri chibwate obachenu bekerengo keigoro nigo chikorenta amaya mange korenganirwa nekero chitari chinchenu ekiumbe ky'obachenu ensengima nigo kekoeneke buna abantu chimilioni 354 ensengima tibabwati asebago chia kebara egento beigo gikogosereria amagimaito na boigo gutwara amaroire a ekiumbe kyobomo bwechinse UN nigo giasegetire na koboria abantu koeneke buna ase chinga chiabo mbabwate chinyomba cy'obachenu banyarioka barengeretie goikera amaroro y'omwaka bwechiri bubere na 30 muri kito Vincent Monda na roboti oro
chitariki ya 25 gweka chitariki ya 25 na ibere cy'umutinyo kianda umwaka bwechiri bubere na 15 abarayikorwa chinsemo ao baikaranse tasama gacha yekyombe kyobomo bwechinse ime ya New York na kobeka marago 15 na bere ayako garobogima bobe obuya gose Sustainable Development Goals amaragayo abwatekerenga buna goiko umwaka bwechiri bubere na 30 enyole twaro siriense ile toramirira mate buna bono gokore nchara abantu 20 torengane na boigo kurwani obutindi gosama kongwali akoreto n'ugonchoka kwerire enamba ya 5 narimo ase birengebi gokwanira bire igoro ya macha machenu na boigo obachenu bwaito ekerengeke ekerotoragekeranie nigo kegotonekeria obachenu ase 20 elio tokendecho asarunge gose tutige kogendecho emeteime koru umwaka bwechiri bubere goiko umwaka bwechiri bubere na 24 omubaro bw'abantu nigo kina kuruchi bilioni 5 nemo gweka bilioni 5 na 3 ayankorengana n'ekiombe keri ky'obachenu ensengima WHO asomugando y'obw'abantu bilioni 3 chini butenye nige birengo by'obachenu bwabo birense abantu milioni 354 ensengima tibabwati asebago chiecho egento baigo gekobeka amagima y'abantu asebaranyora amarwaire ekiombe ky'abana UNICEF na kiri ky'obachenu ensengima WHO asomwaka bwechiri bubere na 23 nigo kiateba obachenu bobe wageriranga abana ilibwa yamo bali barense y'emyaka 5 bagusira obugima bwabo kera lituko nebyorokererie ebi byagerire ebyombe ebi okagera buna togoiko umwaka bwechiri bubere na 30 abantu bilioni 3 ensengima ebago chakomenya batabwati chicho chindonge abwase nande bagosegeta na kubolia abantu bane kibuna obachenu bwakinira ase chinyombechi orogongorwa Afrika na rurensemo na ase birengo by'obachenu ase chinyombechi goiko umwaka bwechiri bubere na 22 30 ya maseme y'abantu nabo boka babwate chicho chindonge abasanga abantu chimilioni 193 tibabwati chicho korengana n'echiripoti korase kyombekire ky'omubaro Kenya National Bureau of Statistics kerege kolingolia bochenu Demographic and Health Survey amonate 2019 census data emerongenene ya masemia y'aba Kenya nabo boka bakomochikorekana n'echinyomba cy'abachenu isano na ibere chinugutenya seme y'aba Kenya bande nyombe icho tibachibwati obotaka nabo igo bolemirwa sebitoki nabo bwasegetere mono okobora kw'echinyomba cy'abachenu chiripoti icho nende chamenta goteba chikaunti chiri chieroberete gokine birengo by'abachenu ase chinyomba chinke Nairobi neretangaine yabwatiwa mona Murang'a Nyandarua Kericho na Nakuru ekaunti ya Turkana nere ya Tana River ebago chiecho ekeore ligoro ensengima gekomorekera na gochengera abachenu ase chinyomba chichinke chitariki 19 mutinyi 10 mwaka ekimaene kyamangana ankelie buna gotwara chinyomba cy'abachenu chire chingiya ngokine chire birengo by'abachenu totwara amachama ya embeyo ngiyayo kweyana chindagera chinchanu nabo igotwisana kasoboga matomenyete na gokeania amarwaire ao Vincent Monda, Ensoko TV.
Mwasiri wechisemi Julius Migosi ogamba litkolia rero nigachakie geikaro kia 5 ekioge kobwaterania chinse cheisco yechisemi egeikare ekio kerinse yelingana limwamu chisemi chingia ase bonsi emyaka 10 yokobwaterana no gochamo gokora emirimo abaikirana ase geikare ekio nigo basingereire oburendi ase chiskuru na gutomanya mulikito Deborah Kerwa.
Omwaziri bw'ekisemi Julius Migosi ogamba lituko lya lero nigachakie geikaro kia gatano ekyo gekobwaterania chinse chesiko gy'ekisemi egeikaro ekyo kereinse yeringana limwa mu kisemi chingi ya sebonsi emyaka 10 yokobwaterana n'ogochamo gokora emirimo egeikaro ekyo nigo kiarentamu abawaziri abawakilishi ba Africa Union na United Nations amo n'abarai ao asenkwana ya Migosi nigo aenekyo bolendio buyagochia se chisukuru aborokia amo n'aborokiwa.
A commitment is only powerful if it translates into protection, and action is only meaningful if it safeguards the future of our children. In Kenya, we are working tirelessly to interpret the principles of the Safe Schools Declaration across our education and security frameworks. We recognize that insecurity disrupts learning, and therefore we are strengthening interinstitutional coordination to reduce risks to learners, teachers, and the school's infrastructure. We have increasingly adopted approaches that maintain school operations even during periods of localized instability, expanded psychological support in vulnerable regions, and supported teacher preparedness in crisis management. These efforts affirm our belief that learning must never be suspended, even in the face of adversity.
Omonene bwa bawaziri nabo igomo waziri bwa mangana ye chinse chesiko Musalia Mudavadi uyoikerana sege kalekyo nigaegerera chisemi asaene kyo bolendio bonene gochia se chisukuru na koene kyanga boroki wambanyora maegelio batalina tangu ende yonsi.
It is our responsibility as the current generation and leaders to safeguard the next generation, ensure their protection and continuity of progress. With this awareness, Kenya remains firmly committed to the Safe Schools Declaration. We have begun integrating its principles into education and national security frameworks, enhancing coordination between the ministries responsible for education, interior, and security to mitigate risks in vulnerable regions. The government is enhancing teacher preparedness for crisis situations, strengthening psychosocial support, and ensuring continued access to learning in conflict-affected areas or counties.
Omorikyo botambe bwekyombe yogokonya abana gose Save the Children imeyense ya Norway oyomanyakanete buna Henry Weinstein nigateba buna aborokiwa nigo bakonyora chinguru chokoroisia magima bagwetera chisemi aseboigo chisukuru amona aborokiwa bagwenerete ko bayinse yobolendi boisai.
When children learn, they gain power to shape their own lives and society. And at the last Safe School Conference, schools should be sanctuaries for children.
Deborah Kirubo, Ensoko TV.
Omurai wense ya Kenya Dr. William Ruto nigaikirana sege ikaro kia bene kia gatano na kabere ime ya Luanda, Angola. Nonyana bo nigakwanira okwero kwa basaya sokoligia emirimo ime chinse asabo lia barai be chinse icho kumulikira emirimo eyokolengana n'obumanye babwate. Nonyana bo nigalengani chinse chorogongo rwa Africa nabo igo Europe nekikeirire gochietana na bose gochiatana na asabo lia gusirana elio kugendera kolengana n'obumenyo bose n'obumanye babwate.
We must reimagine migration as a bridge of dignity. Our youth are crossing deserts and seas not because they love danger, but because they seek opportunity. The challenge is not migration itself, it is despair. Let us create legal pathways for skilled and unskilled labor alike. Let us recognize qualifications across borders, establish circular migration frameworks, and protect the rights of migrants wherever they go. A nurse from Ghana working in London, a Kenyan software engineer in Lisbon. These are not stories of loss. They are threads of shared prosperity. Migration should not drain Africa's talent. It should circulate it. Our continents are bound by geography and destiny. Europe faces a demographic winter. Africa is in the bloom of youth. Europe holds enormous capital, modern technology, and mature institutions. Africa, on the other hand, holds immense natural resources, relentless youth energy, and a large and growing market. Each has what the other needs. Together, we are not two continents facing each other. We are two halves of a single horizon. So let this summit in Rwanda be remembered not for prevarication, but for decisions. First, let us show up multilateralism. We are entering an era where great powers are once again drawing lines across the world. But Africa and Europe both know the cost of division. We have no interest in returning to the zero-sum game of global rivalry. We must stand shoulder to shoulder for a rules-based international order that treats every nation with dignity. We must reform the United Nations Security Council to reflect the world as it is today, not as it was in 1945.
Ensi ya Kenya nigo yarurige kurogo chiase chiskuru kuba maiso asobo tumekibwe mitandao na baigo chi computer echio chikogosereria obugima bw'abana ase chiskuru okwana imiyo muchio Nairobi omwaziri Musalia Mudavadi nigaerera obuna nonya obuyaboleo asobo tumekibwe chinchira chekerero nigebwenderete koba gusinigo babwenete koba maiso.
The theme of this year's conference, Safe Education for All, a decade of commitment, a call to action through the Safe Schools Declaration, is a compelling reminder that 10 years after the declaration was launched, our resolve must deepen and our actions must accelerate. A decade of commitments is meaningful only if it yields a decade of results. Today we gather in Nairobi with 121 endorsing countries, demonstrating global solidarity for the protection of education. Yet while these commitments signal a strong international consensus, the real measure of our resolve lies in effective implementation. Across the world, schools are attacked, repurposed, or closed due to insecurity. Children traverse dangerous routes to access education. Teachers face constant risk, and many learners, especially girls, vulnerable children, and those in marginalized communities struggle to pursue their education amidst adversity. Violent conflicts continue to leave children bearing the deepest scars, with their learning institutions destroyed or turned into targets of insecurity. By the end of 2024, an estimated 48.8 million children had been displaced by violent conflict and disasters, including 19.1 million alone in Africa, which is more than half of the global total. In our own neighborhood of the Horn of Africa, Sudan now faces the largest child displacement crisis in the world, with over 6.5 million children uprooted after 2 years of relentless violence. According to Save the Children, since the outbreak of war in 2023, a child has been forced to flee every 10 seconds. This situation risks leaving an entire generation out of school indefinitely.
Mwancho murigereria korwa soroboti oroni ngana ikiro mweli obo kumurikira amangana maya tumiraneri tukolia ankyo asiturabe togosanga amaya imeyen soko TV liane kerubo Frida biemno sana sibali mwabere mukubwatia amaya korwa ense yemo goikira abono iga magachi kamera soko nikibna chibi channel yogi ya goikira sole asenjira ya benenere Brian Achaka Felistas Kabende na boigo Barnabas ondali twara obutko borobia.